Hello everyone, I am Prashant Deshmukh. Today I will explain gear train assembly using Autodesk Inventor. First change all the units in SI units. Select tools, go to document setting, select unit, change all units in SI units, length in mm and mass in kg. Then apply and close. Here we have used some parts like spur gear, shaft, bearing and keys. Bearings are used to reduce friction. Gear train needs more than two gears are arranged to transmit power. Such arrangement is known as gear trains. Gear train are four types: simple, compound, reverted and epicyclic. So I hope you have enjoyed learned about gear train assembly by Autodesk Inventor. Thank you.